What's going on, guys? Right now we're just putting the block together, doing some ring gap size, and then yeah, just get it together. Alright guys, this is nothing exciting. We just need to do these piston ring gaps. As you can see, today we're already putting the block together. We got the little wheel there, so that way we can cut the rings to size. And it's very time consuming, but it'll be worth it in the end. Alright guys, so we have a big issue. So got my engine back from the machine shop, and my cam bearings are scored, as you can see right there. They're scored, and the oil passages are supposed to be complete. Like, this should be a perfect circle for free oil movement, and some of the oil passages are completely covered. And yeah, so anyway, the build is stalled. We're gonna have to take my block back to the shop, and they're going to have to take out those bearings and redo it. So I know you guys were looking forward to a cool video of the pistons and everything in there, but anyway, shout out to Kevin. He helped me out. He helped me out. We did the piston ring gaps. Everything's good on there, but unfortunately we got to take this back, and that sucks. But you know, it's better than a blown block. If he didn't notice, because he's the one that noticed, if he didn't notice that the oil passages were blocked, the cam would have locked up within the first 5 minutes, and then after that could have bent a valve in my brand new head that's done by Heads by Drew. And yeah, so that would have sucked. A lot of things could have gotten messed up just from something so simple. And yeah,
check, triple check,
quadruple check, everything. And then check again for the checks of all checks, because that's a lot of money. And I'm glad you noticed that, because I would have had, oh yeah, my block's ready to go. First 5 minutes, donezo. So anyway, I'm sorry guys, not a good video. So you can clearly see that oil passage is halfway covered, and that should be a complete hole.
Gotta remember the piston doesn't come all the way down, so it's
okay.
That's cool. Yeah, that doesn't affect anything.
Man, this sucks, guys. I was so ready to just have pistons in there. That's so satisfying, just to put the piston in there.
That's what I wanted to do. Put the crank. Where I clean everything.
Crank with the piston.
And I'm looking, and I'm like,
I
saw this, and when I saw this, I was like, let me check the other ones.
Yeah, that sucks. They're gonna have to take out all those bearings in there.
Yeah, I have to take them all off. All of them.
And they're all scored anyway. I don't want them. Like, they're scored. That's like, so you pay all that money. You pay all that money
Maybe
to get scored bearings.
But I said they have to. The first one that I put on is this one.
Yeah, they have to go in a certain order, huh?
And then put this one, so that way you don't get that scored, because I think what they were doing is trying to put this one here and then work their way out and scoring the other ones while you were
coming out.
You know what I mean? Or he put this one in first and then tried to put that one and then scored everything else. I don't know what the heck he was doing.
Yeah, that's not cool though. Like, you're able to see how scored that is.
This one's the worst. This one and this one. Right
You're able to see how scored that is. Like, why you don't? You really?
See if somebody's built something
really?
How they would mess up or something.
Really? Like, that's.
Because they don't care, bro.
That's messed up. Look, let's see this.
Okay. So when they see a little 4-banger beating their V8,
yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's messed up.
That's catastrophic right there.
Well, anyway, once we get my engine back, we're gonna have to clean it all out. Clean all these little oil ports, make sure that they're not clogged. Make sure that those oil ports are actually correct this time. And yeah, but anyway, there's your video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Kind of pissed, but it is what it is.